Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So I've noticed that when I start my videos, I kind of just start and go right into the video without kind of explaining what I'm going to be doing. But basically, I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark. I opened up an eBay and a Depop, but so far nothing has really sold. So besides that, I am just a part-time reseller on a Poshmark, and I've now been doing it for technically 3 years, but not serious until last year around this time. So it's been almost a full year of really getting to know a lot of information about reselling and whatnot. So I have a recent bins haul slash haul from the normal and regular Goodwill that I want to share with you guys today. I love these videos and I find them very, very entertaining, and I just think it's fun to see what people are picking up and get some inspiration. So I mainly stick to clothes, so if you guys do like hard goods and things like that, I don't really focus on that. But if you're interested in the clothing part of reselling, then stay tuned because I got a lot of goodies to show you guys. So this is my grande pile of clothing. It doesn't look like that much, but I swear it's a lot. I wanted to film this video because I have family coming in for Easter and my posh room is a disaster and people are gonna be sleeping in here. So I need to get this cleaned up. So I wanted to go ahead and film this video. So I hope you guys find this entertaining and helpful. So this first item that I have here is another UCF sweatshirt. I wish it fit me because I really want a crew neck like this. The colors are great. It's in really good condition. This is from the bins. It just says pink on the side with the night here. So super cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try not to say that this whole video. Like, obviously it's cute because I bought it. So, or maybe you guys don't think it's cute, but you know what I'm talking about. So just a nice crew neck. And it's a size small, and I have this listed in my closet I think for maybe $25–30. I don't know. I'm gonna take offers on pretty much anything I buy from the bins because you buy it for pretty cheap. So my brother found this for me. It's a Victoria's Secret robe. Doesn't really close. I kind of labeled it as like a kimono slash robe. This is also an extra small. But it's really soft. I think it's that like rayon material. It kind of has a silky feel to it, but the material or the fabric content is not in here, so I don't really know what the content is. So I don't even know what the content makeup of this material is, but it's really soft and it's, like I said, kind of silky. So I thought that was really just like comfortable. Different, like you can use it for like a robe, or you can use it as a cover up for the beach or whatever you need to use it for. So I got this at the normal Goodwill. I found this, I was just looking in the jeans because nobody's looking in the jeans now. It's 100 degrees here. So I went and I immediately, when I saw this, I just kind of knew that that was Free People, like where the tag would have been. And then sure enough, I go and look at the button and the button says Free People on it. So that kind of gave it away. I also didn't even know the size, because in here, this little tag doesn't even have the size on it. So unless I'm like stupid, I don't know where the tag is. So I just took measurements and I did put it up to my hips. And it says that it's, well, I just checked the measurements on the Free People website and added the measurements in my listing so that if somebody came back and was like, this isn't the right size, I'd be like, look, the measurements were in there, because I had a case opened up on me for that because I put something as a small because I thought it was a small, like the measurements were a small, but it was a medium, so she had to return it, all this crazy stuff. So if you can, if there's no tag in the item, try to put the measurements just to kind of save your butt. So anyways, these are Free People jeans. I found these, like I said, at my normal Goodwill. Super exciting. I love finding Free People jeans because they usually do pretty well. I just like the light wash, and it was nice that it didn't have rips in it because, like, for my job I can wear jeans, they just can't have rips in them. So I think a lot of people are kind of in that situation, and finding jeans that are not ripped and a good quality is really nice. So I just listed these today. I did sell two things from this stuff that I bought already. These are American Eagle shorts. They are really not in that good of condition. I've already washed them twice and the stains still haven't really come out. It's almost like somebody tried to use like fabric glue to glue this down, because American Eagle shorts don't always stay, like, you have to either iron them after every time you wash them because that little fold doesn't always stay folded. but they have a lot of stains on them, and it's from that glue. So I did put that, I listed them super low, so I'm like, even if they sell for $10, I'm still gonna be making a profit. I got those from the bins, but they were, I didn't even notice that they were in that bad of a shape. So yeah, a lot of these items I guess I didn't really take a good look at. That was the only one that was pretty bad, but besides that, they were all fairly good. I thought this dress was a size 8, but it just says small, but it's a J. Jill maxi dress. I heard J. Jill does pretty good. This is my first J. Jill piece. It's really cute because it has this like ruffled hem. But yeah, I mean, maybe it could fit me. I don't know. It just says small. And then it kind of has like a built-in bra on the inside. But it's a really long maxi dress. So I thought that was good to have in my closet because I don't really have a lot of... Like, this dress is worth $110, so I have it listed for like $60 in my closet because it's like brand new. So also we're having like our house pressure wash, or like, yeah, pressure wash, so if you can hear that, I'm so sorry. This next piece I got is a just pretty basic t-shirt. I don't have it listed for much, but I just thought it was a cute Zodiac shirt. It's a nice color, and it's in fairly good condition. And it's a little like see-through, but it's lightweight, and I thought that was going to be good for the summer since, you know, it's going to be hot everywhere. Got that from the bins as well. This next piece, I went to go look in the men's section because I always like to look in there for t-shirts for myself. And I saw this tag, and it was priced at $1.99. I think they thought it was like a long shirt. You get it, the Madewell tag. I was really excited, and I don't have it listed for much because I didn't really notice the stains on it. But it's like a t-shirt dress. The color is absolutely gorgeous. If it was my size, I would keep it because this is, I mean, maybe it's a small. It just won't look good on me. Yeah, I really thought this color was really pretty. The length is really good too, and then obviously it's Madewell, so it's a thicker type of t-shirt material, so I thought this was nice. But again, this was at the regular Goodwill, and it was priced at $1.99 because they thought it was a t-shirt. But if it was put in the dress section, it would have been like $7 or $8, so... They also thought it was men's, so they always price the men's clothing cheaper. So always check the men's section because I've always found girl Levi's in the guys section too, and they're usually not as much. So that's just my personal experience. These are from Shein. Also not expecting a lot of money off of these, but again, I think I got these for like 88 cents at the bins, so really it's worth it. So yeah, they're from Shein, but I thought they were really cute and vintage looking. These are like super in right now, so I mean, I would wear them if they were my size. Everything is like small. So I did sell 2 items. I sold 2 plus size items, which is awesome because they bought them full, like they bought them no offering. They just bought them full price. So that's really exciting when that happens because a lot of times people can't find a lot of plus size items. They're priced really high. So I love picking up plus size items because I think they do really well. Because I mean, you're finding small, medium, and larges. Like you're not finding XLs and plus sizes. So I always like to pick up the plus size so that there's something in my closet for everyone. I don't know. That's just what I do. I didn't really know that or realize that. I was like, wow, I really don't have anything in my closet that's besides small, medium, and large. And like, that's what I find a lot. But I also really do like to keep my eyes peeled for those really cool plus size pieces. Just a basic mall brand American Eagle soft and sexy tank top. A lot of people don't like to pick these up, but I mean, if I sell it for $10 to $15, that's still really good profit from the bins. I wouldn't pick it up at the normal Goodwill because they would have that price at $5, and I probably am only going to make $8 or $9, so not really worth it. I was excited because this is my first Eileen Fisher find. This was at the bins. It's a size 2X. The color's so pretty, and it's that really nice rayon material. So super soft and very stretchy, very comfortable. So I picked it up first off because Eileen Fisher at the bins, are you kidding me? Even if this sells for like $30 or $40, like that is still really good. I don't really know what I have it listed at. Everything here is listed. So if you guys are interested in everything, you guys can check out my Poshmark closet. Let me know that you're from my YouTube because I will give you guys a really good discount. But it's Grace and Threads, which I believe is just a Target brand. Really nice star detail to it. It's very soft. Like I said, it's that rayon material. It's kind of like a half zip or 1/4 zip crew neck type of sweater. Super nice. I know I shouldn't be picking up long sleeves, but like I've said in my other videos, I pick up everything all year round. I said this in another video. I flipped a really good North Face jacket that I found in August in Florida for like $85. So let me just tell you, don't forget to look in the other, you know, sections, even though it's not in the season that you're looking for, if that makes sense. I found this. I was literally gonna buy this at the store. I think this would fit me, and I do need some more like professional clothing, but I just wanted to see if it would sell. It's just Loft, so it's pretty basic mall brand, but it's in beautiful condition. Like, I was literally gonna buy this full price for like $50 at Loft. Like, no. But it's that really cool tweed kind of material. It's a great size. I thought this was a great find. These are some really nice American Eagle shorts in literal brand new condition. Like, look at that. That's how you can kind of know if the jeans or the shorts that you're buying or pants are in good condition, is if the logo here, like the patch, is in good condition, because it means that it hasn't been like washed a lot. But these are a high-rise festival, they're a vintage high-rise festival shorts. So, you know, they're pretty short, but, you know, somebody will probably buy them, because I wouldn't wear something this short, but there are people out there that will, so. Which is great, because they can find that in my closet. I mean, I would wear them, but they're just a little too short, not my size. This next piece is Universal Thread. I found those at the bins, and I also found this at the bins. This is Universal Thread, which is, again, another Target brand. But it's just another really cute summer dress. I don't have this listed for much, but I just thought it was a nice piece to have in the closet for bundling. You guys, I don't know if you guys do a lot of bundles. Please let me know how you do it, because I don't like to message people, because I feel like that's annoying. Like, I feel like if I got a message like, hey, go look at my closet, see if there's anything else you want to buy, like, I'm probably not going to do that. Like, I'm only in there to buy that one thing that I saw in your closet. I don't want to go look at your closet. Okay, that's sounding really rude and dramatic. I actually wouldn't be like that, but I feel like a lot of people can have that feeling, and they will come off as, okay, she's like wanting to make more money. I don't know. So I don't like to send that bundle message that a lot of people do send, but if that's how you make the sales, then I need to try doing that. But I want to know if you guys make a lot of bundle sales, because I want to make more bundle sales. I've made like maybe 5 out of all the 200 listings that I've sold. I've only had 5 bundle sales. Like, that's nothing. And a lot of people, they make so much more money because they're bundling tons and they're buying more. On this super vintage looking Lion King top, really nice with the ruffle like sleeves again. It's an XL, but I took the measurements because I said I don't think this is an XL, because it definitely does not look like an XL to me. But I was like, I really want to find Lily Pulitzer or Patagonia or all these brands that I was thinking of in my head. And I look over and I see this Lily Pulitzer tag. It's just a basic girls t-shirt, but I've sold like 3 or 4 girls Lily Pulitzer items. Again, it has like that ruffle hem. So nice. I love the color too, like that that navy blue. So nice. My brother threw this in the bag. I didn't even know. I got home and I was like, oh, okay. I mean, it was probably not even, like, it's so lightweight. It's just a nice mauve color tank top, which this color is super in right now. It's ribbed as well. It's from the Grand Gaze, and I think that's also another Target brand, but I could be wrong. Maybe it's just like a boutique brand too. Maybe this is sold at like Francesca's. But again, I thought this was a really nice color, and I love the ribbed detail to it. I would wear that. It actually isn't my size, but I don't like to wear tank tops a lot, so yeah, I'm gonna sell it. Plus, I didn't even know it was in my bag in the first place, so thanks, Drew. I found this Hollister dress. I was really on the hunt for dresses, because obviously that's what we're going into, like the season. So just a Hollister brand, but I thought this was another like minimalistic color. It's like that gray charcoal, like marble. I don't really think this style is in, but people definitely still wear it. But it's like the off the shoulder shirt type of vibe. It's a dress though. I just thought it was nice, and again, when it's hot, this is kind of what you want to wear. So I thought that was great. This is a funny story. So I found this at the regular Goodwill yesterday. It's Urban Outfitters. But I brought it home and I tried it on like as a top, because it's kind of like a tube top. It's literally a skirt. I put it into Google Lens and it's a skirt. So I put tube top / skirt, and then I was looking up comps, and a lot of people were selling it as a shirt. So I was like, okay, I'm not the only one that's confused. But do you think this really, this looks like a skirt to you guys? This looks like a shirt to me. I mean, I could see it, it's stretchy and all, but I definitely don't see that being a skirt. Like I said, I put it as tube top / skirt, because I feel like it kind of is very versatile. if that's even the right word. Next piece is my favorite piece. Something told me just I need to go to Goodwill today, and this was yesterday, but something told me, Lauren, you need to go. So I went and I started in the activewear section like I always do, and I found this really nice Lululemon piece. It's a singlet tank top. I just felt the material and I just knew right away, and then I was like, where is it? Where's the logo? So I look on the bottom and there she is. Kind of hidden if you can see it. Where the heck is it? Okay, well, you get it. It's Lululemon. Super excited to find this because this is probably gonna sell for like $35 to $40, or I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I really wanted it to be my size because I love the floral. Like, I would have kept it if it was in my size. Like, wore it a little bit and then sell it, but it's not. So it's not meant to be. This is from the bins as well. I don't even know this brand. Never heard of it. Bobby Brooks, but it's also another plus size piece. Oh my gosh, this material is also rayon. It's so freaking soft, and it's like that marble tie-dye, which is still kind of in, so I was like, great, love it. Good for the summer, nice and soft and lightweight. So that was another piece I found. We're getting towards the end here. I found this really nice skirt. It's a Wild Fable, which is Target, size 12, which is another great size. So I just thought it was nice because it's like that nice material, or it's not the nice material, it's just like denim, but it's also like that minimalistic charcoal black color. This is another item. It's called the Go-To Tee Adidas, just like a very basic Adidas logo shirt. I have it for like 15 bucks. Like I said, I'll take offers for anything that's a little bit cheaper. I just, you know, when you're getting it for so cheap, I feel like that's a nice basic bundle piece to have. And this last item I have here is a pair of Old Navy like kick flare pants or jeans. I thought these were really nice with the distressed hem. I really wanted to keep these for myself. I just don't need any more jeans. They're a flare ankle is what they're called. So I thought those were nice. Old Navy jeans and Old Navy items sell pretty well for me. So I'm certain that these will sell. Probably not for a while though, because it's gonna get hot. No one wants to. I mean, I wear jeans in the summer and I live in Florida, so I don't know. I'm just crazy, I guess. I could have sworn I had more things, and I probably did put stuff away because I forget to keep it out for my haul videos. But that's pretty much everything. I found. This is for me, but I'll show it real quick. I found this for Easter. Thought it was really cute, like tinsel gold. I don't know, just thought it was really nice. Anyways, that is everything that I found for my recent haul to resell on Poshmark. Super excited to see what my profits are going to be. I probably spent like $80 on all the clothes you saw, so not too bad, but I hope I can make at least $200 or $300 from that. I don't know, we'll see. We will see. I will have to keep you guys updated. But if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me to know what you guys are into and helps me to provide this content for you guys. And I will be back next week with another reseller kind of video. So again, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!